Did you know that over 80% of creatives are now using AI in their workflow? And most of them say it's making their ideas bigger, bolder, and faster than ever before? Today, I'm putting that to the test with 5 surprising ways AI can supercharge your creativity, crush your creative blocks, and maybe even change the way you make art, music, videos, or content forever. Stick around till the end, because number 5 is the one that almost feels like cheating. Hey, what's up, creators? Welcome back to Mr. AI Boombastic. Around the world, AI is no longer just for coders and tech bros. It's becoming a creative partner for artists, writers, musicians, designers, and content creators just like you. And no, it's not here to replace your talent. It's here to amplify it and remove the boring, soul-draining parts of the process so you can focus on the fun stuff. Let's be real for a second. If you've ever stared at a blank page, an empty timeline, or a silent music project and thought, "I've got nothing," you're not alone. Writer's block, creative burnout, and decision overload are killing more great ideas than any algorithm ever will. Maybe this sounds like you. You want to post consistently, but you waste hours just trying to come up with one decent idea. You have a vision in your head, but you don't have the design, editing, or technical skills to bring it to life as fast as you'd like. You feel like everyone else is shipping content, art, or music nonstop while you're stuck tweaking the same project for the 10th time. On top of that, the internet is louder than ever, and the pressure to be original every single day is exhausting. That's exactly where AI becomes powerful, not as a shortcut to fake creativity, but as a tool to break the block, speed up the grind, and open doors you probably didn't even know were there. So let's break this down into 5 surprising, very real ways AI can actually supercharge your creativity, and how you can start using them today, even if you're not a tech person. First, AI is an idea generation engine. Instead of sitting there waiting for inspiration, you can literally type in a few words and let AI explode that into titles, themes, hooks, characters, or visual concepts. For example, tools that use generative text can take a simple prompt like sci-fi short story about loneliness and instantly give you multiple plot ideas, character arcs, and even potential twists. For entrepreneurs or creators, AI brainstorming platforms can map out social posts, video series, or product ideas, pulling from patterns in huge datasets that your brain couldn't scan in a lifetime. The key is, you remain the director. AI throws out raw ideas, and you choose, remix, and elevate the ones that feel like you. Second, AI works as a co-writer and editor for your words, scripts, captions, and even marketing copy. If you struggle to get started, AI can give you a rough first draft so you're never facing a blank screen again. If you're great with ideas, but not with wording, it can help you tighten your hooks, simplify complex explanations, or adapt your tone for different audiences. Some teams are already using AI to test different variations of headlines, email subject lines, and add copy to see what resonates best. That means less guessing and more data-backed creativity, while you stay focused on the message and the story behind it. Third, AI can level up your visual creativity, even if you're not a designer. AI-powered design tools can turn a simple text prompt into thumbnails, logos, layouts, or concept art in seconds. They can help pick color palettes, suggest fonts, and generate multiple design variations so you can quickly see what fits your brand vibe. In industries like graphic design and advertising, creatives are already using AI to create fast mock-ups and style explorations, then stepping in to refine the final look. You're not replacing the designer. You're removing the slow, repetitive part so your taste and judgment can shine faster. Fourth, AI is insanely good at automation, which is a massive unlock for creativity. Think of all the tiny tasks that suck your energy: organizing files, cleaning up audio, cutting silence in videos, resizing graphics, generating transcripts, or repurposing scenes into shorts. AI-powered tools can automatically edit your footage, suggest highlight moments, or convert long-form content into social-friendly snippets, saving creators huge amounts of time. In music and sound, AI can suggest harmonies, generate backing tracks, or help fine-tune mixes, cutting down the technical grind so you can focus on emotion and storytelling. When the boring stuff takes less time, you suddenly have more bandwidth to experiment, iterate, and create more ambitious projects. Fifth, And this is where it gets wild. AI lets you step into creative worlds you've never touched before. Generative art tools can turn your ideas into original images, even if you can't draw a stick figure. AI music generators can help you compose full tracks for your videos or podcasts without needing to play an instrument. One of the most famous examples is the Next Rembrandt project, where researchers analyzed 346 of Rembrandt's paintings using advanced algorithms and then generated a completely new painting in his style, printed in 3D with layers that mimic real brush strokes. It wasn't about replacing Rembrandt. It was about asking, what happens when data, history, and human curiosity collide, and using AI to explore that question visually. That same mindset applies to you. AI becomes a sandbox where you can test crazy ideas, remix styles, and try mediums you never had access to before. Here's the big shift. When creatives actually lean into AI as a collaborator instead of an enemy, productivity and experimentation explode. Surveys of creative teams show that a large majority feel AI is enhancing their creativity, not killing it, because it handles the heavy lifting and frees up mental space for deeper thinking. Imagine this. Your next video idea brainstormed with AI, your script co-written and tightened with AI, your thumbnail drafted with AI, your edit pre-cut with AI, and your music bed suggested by AI, while you stay in control of taste, story, and emotion. That's not the death of creativity. That's creativity with a turbo engine bolted onto it. So, to recap, here are the 5 surprising ways AI can supercharge your creativity. It generates fresh ideas, so you're never stuck at zero. It acts as your co-writer and editor for scripts, posts, and copy. It boosts your visual game with fast, flexible design options. It automates boring tasks so you can focus on what actually matters. And it opens doors to new creative mediums like generative art and AI-assisted music. Whether you're a writer, designer, musician, or content creator, AI is now part of the creative toolbox. Now it's your turn. Drop a comment and tell me, have you used any AI tools in your creative process yet? If yes, what changed for you? And if not, what's holding you back? If you want to keep riding this wave of AI-powered creativity, go watch the next video on this channel about how AI is shaking up the art world and what that means for everyday creators like us. Hit like if this helped unlock some ideas. Subscribe to Mr. AI Boombastic for more tech meets creativity content. And remember, AI doesn't replace your creativity, it amplifies it.